The 36-degree tangential blade is German-crafted from tungsten carbide. Our genuine Summa blades hold a sharp edge between 10 and 50 times longer than cheaper steel blades. It can cut material up to 0.25 millimeters thick and is compatible with the Summa tangential blade holder, Summa F-Series flatbed cutters, and all Summa S-Class T-Series vinyl cutters. These expertly crafted blades are made with the highest quality materials to extend the life of your blade and maximize your cutting performance. We are the largest national supplier of Summa parts and accessories with more than 1,000 SKUs in stock. Shop our catalog at airmark.com or give us a call today.